Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is 4th April 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get 100 plus followers instantly using one of the cheapest SMM panels in India, MSP Panel. If you're a creator, marketer, or someone trying to grow on social media, this video is going to help you a lot. I'll walk you through step by step, from sign up to getting followers delivered in minutes. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to msppanel.com. Now, MSP Panel is actually one of the oldest and most trusted SMM panels in India, with over 1 million orders completed, which is pretty impressive. Once you're on the website, you can click on the services page to explore everything they offer. Here, you'll notice that all the prices are listed for 1,000 quantity, so keep that in mind while calculating smaller orders. To get started, click on the Sign Up button. Enter your username, email, and password, and then click Sign Up. Your account will be created instantly. After that, log into your account, and you'll land directly on the new order page. Before placing any order, you need to add funds. Click on Add Funds, choose your payment method, and proceed. In my case, I selected UPI and added Rs100 by simply scanning the QR code. It's quick and super convenient for Indian users. Once your balance is added, go back to the new order page. Now search for the service you want. In this video, I'm buying 100 followers for the account we selected earlier. Paste your profile link, enter the quantity, and you'll see the price. As you can see, 100 followers with guarantee cost around Rs25, which is very affordable. Now click on Submit and your order will be placed instantly. You'll get an order ID right away. Go to Order History to track your order status. Now wait for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, the followers have been delivered successfully. The account has now grown to 120 followers, which is a great boost in a short time. So if you're looking for a cheap, fast, and reliable Indian SMM panel with support for Indian payment methods like UPI, then MSP Panel is definitely worth trying. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.